Hello, welcome back guys. A quick video to inform you about the news, what is going on right now in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in China. And you will see that the stock market is actually up quite significantly. I believe it was up like 6% at some point. And Alibaba was actually even up at more than 15%. Now, this happens a lot when you are having these kinds of bullish price action here. It goes up a little bit, then it goes down, maybe it goes up a little bit more later, very normal. But we are sitting at about probably 13% of a gain today, it looks like. We'll see if it's going to be reflected in the US markets, of course, once they open. But right now we are looking at it from the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and yeah, we're up about 13%. So, what is going on now? Of course, there are not really any pieces of news right now. This is too early, but I can tell you what is happening here on the pretty much on the Chinese side. I found some information here that could be helpful. So a gauge of equities listed in Hong Kong jumped as much as 8.8% in Friday's session, which is a cumulative like 12% for the week, as you'll see here. Some unverified social media posts, so as you can understand, this is news, and imagine if this is going up on 15% on news, imagine what's going to happen if these news come to be true, right? On rumors, actually, not news. Claiming that a committee was being formed to assess scenarios on how to exit COVID-0 that has helped erase losses after last month's Communist Party Congress, which where we had like a significantly negative price action. Now the Hang Seng Tech Index surging almost 11% actually, even at some point, and as you'll see, officials completed their first on-site inspection round of Chinese companies ahead of schedule. Very interesting as well, according to people familiar with the matter. A sign of progress in the closely watched process to prevent the delisting of hundreds of stocks from Alibaba Group and to Yum China Holdings here. Very interesting here, and positive rumors, it looks like. So stocks have rallied even as authorities have given no indication of a change in the stance of COVID-0. So it's not official yet, but these rumors are enough to cause fear of missing out to people, and they start buying a lot of Alibaba and a lot of China, pretty much, because China has been completely annihilated and it has been super cheap for a while now, like insanely cheap. And also this one, which is actually a translation from Chinese, I hope that's accurate, but this claims that at a city meeting, the chief scientist at China CDC said that Beijing's policy will soon have a substantial change. Reopening has already started and won't wait until next spring. And you can understand, if this comes to be true, we're going to be having a significant surge as well. This is more than likely going to cause a very significant surge if China opens. I'm expecting a really nice rise. Now, PCR tests will shrink by 90%, reopen borders with Hong Kong in early 2023, and confident in CanSino's inhalable vaccines. Domestic vaccines are not inferior for mRNA ones. Interesting stuff here. Now, of course, again, this is the very beginning, and it's nice to know of this kind of potential information here. We don't know whether it's going to come to fruition, but this is what is going on right now with Hong Kong and China. And I wanted to make just a quick video and inform you about it, and basically so that you are ahead of the curve, pretty much. I'm gonna keep this video pretty short and remind you that if we're getting a 15% rise today, we're probably going to see a price of about 75 or something of that sort. You can calculate exactly. We'll see. It will take like a few hours, 6-7 hours before the markets open here. But again, this is a super cheap company. We have talked about it. There's no point in talking about this type of thing again. But I'm gonna be ending this video here. Again, just a quick update, and if something new comes in my way, I will let you know. I will make a new video about it. But thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.